Morning everyone, this is Nawaz sir here. Now, starting this chapter, I am giving you all one question. Okay, the question is write all the square numbers from 1 to 100. Hope you all have guessed the chapter name. The chapter name is square roots and cube roots. Now, in the square roots and cube roots, the question number 1 is write all the square numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so the square numbers from 1 to 100, that means we have to write here the perfect squares. Okay? Perfect squares. So perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Then what? After 36 we have 49, 64, 81 and 100. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square is 100. Okay, next question number 2. Question number 2 is 56 is a perfect square. Is 56 is a perfect square? Give reasons. Okay, for showing whether 56 is a perfect square or not, what we have to do here is we have to prime factorize 56. What we have to do, we have to prime factorize 56. So let's divide 56 by 2 for prime factorizing. 228, 214, 7 and 7. So now 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now this 2 into 2 is making a pair. This 2 into 2 is making a pair, whereas this 2 and 7 are not making a pair. That is why this one is not a perfect square. 56 is not a perfect square. Right. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is about right. Let me write question number 3. Question number 3 is check whether the following numbers form Pythagorean triplet. Check whether the following form a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Now Pythagorean triplets are derived from Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So here the first bit which is given here is of 2, 3, 4. The question is 2, 3, 4, and we need to check. Let us take this as A, this as B, and this as C. We need to get C square is equal to A square plus B square. We need to get C square is equal to A square plus B square. If you are able to get that, then they are the Pythagorean triplets. Okay, let us do that. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So now here C square means what? C square means 4 square. We are getting it as 16 16. Now a square plus b square. A square plus b square means 2 square plus 3 square, that is 4 plus 9 equal to 13. So c square is not equal to a square plus b square. C square is not equal to a square plus b square. Therefore 2 comma 3 comma 4 are not the Pythagorean triplets. Not the Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Now the second bit. Second bit is 6 comma 8 comma 10. 6 comma 8 comma 10. So now take this as A, this as B, and this as C. So C square is equal to 10 square, that is equal to 100. We are getting C square as 100. Now let us do A square plus B square. So A square plus B square is 6 square plus 8 square. A is 6, B is 8. So A square means 6 square, B square means 8 square. So how much is this one? A square plus B square, how much is 6 square? 6 square is equal to 36 and 8 square is 64. So A square plus B square, we are getting it as 36 plus 64 is 100. So C square is equal to A square plus B square. C square's answer is also 100, as well as A square plus B square's answer is also 100. Therefore 6 comma 8 comma 10 are Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Now take one homework. Homework is like you have to check whether this one is also Pythagorean triplet or not. The question is 9 comma 10 comma 11. 9 comma 10 comma 11. Okay. The next question, question number 4. In question number 4, we have to find the square root. Please write the answer in the comment box, whether like 9, 10, 11 is a Pythagorean triplet or not. That thing please write down in the comment box. Question number 4 is find the square root of square root of. Now the first bit there is 784. So there are two methods of finding the square root of a given number. Okay. So now here I am using the prime factorization method for finding the square root of 784. So prime factorize this 784 and divide by 2. So 2 3s are 2 9s are 2 2s are. Next 2 1s are, then 2 9s are 2 6s are. Right. So again 2 9s are 18. 1 remains, 1 and 6 makes 16. So 298. Sorry, 280. Next 2 4s are 8. 1 remains, 1 and 8 makes 18. 2 9s are 8. Now 49 is it doesn't come in the table of 2, as well as 49 doesn't come in 3, as well as with 5. When to go for 7, next prime number 7 7 is 7 1s are. So square root of 784 is asked. So square root of 784 equal to square root of what did we got? the square root, we get this as 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 to the 4, 4, 7, the 28 is the answer. Okay. Now the next one, 625. Again we have to find the square root of 625. 625 means, let us prime factorize this. If you see this number is not divisible by 2, as well as this number is not divisible by 3, because 5 is there at one's place, 5 is there, so this number is not divisible by 2. If I am checking for 3, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 doesn't come in the table of 3, so it's not divisible by 3 also. We need to go for 5. So 5 ones are 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 and 2 makes 12. So 5 twos are 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. So 12 and 5 makes 25. So 5. So again 5 twos are 10. 2 remains. 2 and 5 makes 25. So 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are and 5 1s. So square root of 625 is equal to square root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So that is square root of 5 square into 5 square. 5 into 5, 5 square. 5 into 5, 5 square. So this squares cancels the root. So we will be left with 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Third bit, 7744, like 7744, take it as homework. 7744 is your homework. So that was question number 4 of finding the square root by, like he didn't mention the method, but I did it by prime factorization method. Now same question, finding the square root by division method. Now let us do this by division method. The first question here is, find the square root by division. Okay. So the first bit here is 1764. First bit is 1764. Now look at this number. We have to divide this number into two parts. What we will be doing? We will be dividing this number into two parts, 17 and 64. So now what we have to do, we need to look for the nearest perfect square of 17. So the nearest perfect square of 17 is 16. So we need to go with the table of 4. So 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So 17 minus 16 is 1, and we need to add up 4 to 4. Okay, whatever number which you are taking here, with the same number you have to add it. So 4 plus 4, it will be 8. Now bring the 64 down. This number will become 164. Now what you have to do here is, we need to guess a number. Okay, supposing if you are taking A here, that same A you have to take it here, and you need to multiply this 8A with A. So so that you should get 164. So if I am looking here, after thorough analyzation, what I am finding is, if I am taking 2 here, that is 82 into 2 is 164. 82 into 2 is 164. So 164 minus 164 is 0. So the perfect square of 1764, or sorry, the square root of 1764 is equal to 42. Square root of 1764 is 42. Let's go for one more problem, that is 6084. So the second bit is 6084. Now again dividing the given number into two parts. Okay, right. Now the nearest square of 60 is 49. So we need to go with so that will be 7 7s are 49. Then we need to add 7 again. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So 60 minus 49 is 11. Okay. As well, we are going to take this 84 doll. Right. Now we need to guess a number now. What number we can take there? So that 146 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49, 8 8 are 64. So I am taking 8 here. 148 8s are. Let us do how much it will be. 8 8s are 64, 64 4 carry 6, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6 is 38, 38 8 carry 3, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So what are we getting? 148 into 7, we are getting 1184. So this comes as 0. So therefore the square root of 6084 is equal to 78. Okay. So we have some few more questions in this one that we'll do in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and share it as much as possible. Share it with your friends, share it with your family members, okay, who are going to write their SA2 examinations in class 8. They are going to be very useful for them. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and practice hard. We are destined to get 80 out of 80 in this SA2 examinations. Okay, all the best, take care.